Are your kids missing art class? We have created a Kids Club monthly DIY box for your child to do some arts and crafts projects at home. They come in these super cute boxes. This month's project is a reversible framed sign that your kids can paint. There's a flamingo on the one side and a pineapple on the other. This DIY box comes with all the paint brushes that they need, some super fine detailed brushes, as well as some chip brushes, the stencils, the wood, 5 paint colors, and we're also including an apron in their first subscription box. So if you're wanting to learn more about this DIY box, feel free to go to our website at homeworksetc.ca. Become a member, join. You can cancel at any time. The first 3 months you're not going to want to miss. We've got our Halloween and fall and our Christmas projects already lined up for you, and I can't wait.